Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the positive real values of x that satisfy this exponential equation. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to start by raising both sides of this equation to power x to get rid of this root on the left-hand side. When we do that, we have that the x truth of 2 over x minus 1 to the power x is equal to x minus 1 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. Of course, you know that this is going to take care of that. And on the left-hand side, we have 2 over x minus 1. Now, remember that to get rid of these brackets, all we need to do is to multiply these two powers. So on the right-hand side, we have x minus 1 to the power x times x is x squared, minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Now, to get rid of this fraction on the left-hand side, let us multiply both sides of this equation by this denominator, that is x minus 1. When we do that, we have that 2 is equal to x minus 1 times x minus 1 to the power x squared minus 2x. And now, remember that when we multiply two numbers with the same base, all we have to do is to add their exponents. So from here, we have that 2 is equal to x minus 1 to the power x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now let us look at this exponent. We have the quadratic expression x squared minus 2x plus 1. We can factorize this quadratic expression. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of 1 that add up to minus 2. And those are going to be minus 1 and minus 1. Because minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is going to give us plus 1. While minus 1 added to minus 1 is going to give us minus 2. Now, we have this as x minus 1 times x minus 1. And of course, this is equal to x minus 1 squared. So that means that we can write this equation as 2 is equal to x minus 1 to the power x minus 1 squared. Now, to simplify this equation, let x minus 1 be equal to y. This equation becomes 2 is equal to y to the power y squared. Now, let us look at the number 2. Of course, you know that we can write 2 as plus or minus root 2 squared. Now, we still have 2 in the exponent, so this can also be written as plus or minus root 2 to the power plus or minus root 2 squared. Now, when you compare this to the right-hand side of this equation, it is very easy to see that y is equal to plus or minus root 2. And then we bring in this. So we have that x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 2. And when we add 1 to both sides of this equation, we find that x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 2. We have two values for x. We have that x is equal to 1 plus root 2, or x is equal to 1 minus root 2. Of course, this is negative and this is positive. Since we are looking for the positive values of x, the only correct answer is that. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.